Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will create Helsinki city bus traffic trunk line number 40, and this is why we will start this time at Elielinaukio. Elielinaukio is located next to a railway station, and that's why basically everything that happens here also happens at the railway station. So basically this is just another way of inserting traffic into the railway station stop, but nevertheless we will create a new stop for this line. We will start by creating the stops, if I still have the ability to create the stops correctly. There we go. And then we'll connect the stops with the stretch of track I just created. And that is it. Then we'll just move it on from here, and then we will do the magic trick of actually merging the stops with each other. So there we go. There we have Elielinaukio. This stop will change in the future. This is currently a plaza with only bus stops and one building, and they will actually the city plans on rebuilding the area and building a stop there and moving the buses to the Kamppi inside terminal, which you have already seen too many times. But as for now, there is still a stop at Elielinaukio, and we will just create it like nothing would ever happen. As in this save, nothing will ever happen. I will never change the lines I've created, so basically you will get one version of Helsinki and then that's it. That's the way it will be until I quit making these videos, which will probably not happen anytime soon. Although there may be a summer break because I am a little bit short-handed. I have a lot to do, I'm traveling a lot, and I have very little time to create these videos. And I'm gonna be traveling for more than a month pretty soon, so unless I manage to create videos until the end of my holiday, then there will be a break. But let's not worry about that right now, because it's time to create lines. Like I said, line number 40. And it will be an ordinary bus line, although it's a trunk line, but in this universe, trunk lines are ordinary bus lines. Yes. After the start at Elielinaukio, we will... Okay, something went wrong there. Nope, nothing went wrong there, so we will stop at Hesperien Puisto, and then let's see what will happen after that. So it's gonna stop at Töölön Halli, at Kansaneläkelaitos. That's a kilometer. Okay, that's a short kilometer. Whatever. After Kansaneläkelaitos, we'll stop at Töölön Tulli, and then let's see where it will take us. It will take us this way. We'll stop at Kuusitie and at Tilkka. The following stop is at Ruskeasuo, and then at Ruskeasuon Varikko. Sorry. And I think that it will be the stop at Ruskeasuon Varikko after the crossing. Is that right? That is absolutely right. After that comes a new stretch of line. Surprise, surprise, these trunk lines always feature it. The following stop is at Hagantori. Let's see what that is in Swedish. Probably it's going to be Hagatori, but let's just make things sure, shall we? Wait a second. I have simply managed to lose myself somewhere right now. Yes, the following stop is called Hagatori. Hagatori, and it's located, surprise, surprise, by the Haga Tori, or the Haga Marketplace. Sorry about that. So this stretch of track will be unique for this line. After Hagan Tori, we will then stop at Palokaivon Aukio, meaning that it will actually connect with line in here. Okay, that's nice. So there, let's build this stretch of track and then let's move back to the line system to see what will happen next. So after Ruskason Varikko, we'll stop at Hagatori and then at Palokaivon Aukio and then at Tunnelitie. After Tunnelitie, we will stop at Hagan Ammattikoulu, which is right over here. And then at Eliel Saarisentie. And then comes Thalian Aukio, Ida Alberintie, and after Ida Alberintie comes, we'll skip this stop and stop at Näyttelijäntie. Then let's see where we'll go after that. I think we'll go towards Kannelmäki, so we'll stop at the Pelimannitie over there. And then I think we will take a new turn towards previously unlocked areas. And yes, we will indeed stop at a stop called Kannelkallio. And let me just find that stop. This will be a bit tricky. That's Pelimannitie, Kannelkallio, Kanteleberget, which is right before that roundabout over there. How was it called again? Yes, Kannelkallio, Kanteleberget. And that's it. And after Kannel Kallio, we'll then stop at Kannel Tie 8, which is already created, as you can see. So we will then take a left turn in here and connect with the existing roads. Let's build it and then let's see what will happen after that. So it stops there and it stops there. And then let's once again have a look where we'll go next. It's Soittenenkuja and Kanneltalo. So that's Soittenenkuja and that's Kanneltalo. And then the following stop is Planeettitie. Well, there is no stop called Planeettitie in here. Wait. Yes, Planeettitie is actually located over here. So, let me see. Planeettitie Klarinetvägen is located in here. And after that there will be one more stop, which will be the terminus of this line. And that stop will be called Pelimannin tie 23. Spelmansvägen 23. I love it that they have named an entire area after Finnish folk music. That's just lovely. So pretty much everything has been created except for the magic loop, which concludes the line. And we will do that next. That's the way. Then remove the double. Oops, no such overlaps. Definitely a no-go, because there will be issues. That's it. That's much better. So all the tracks of line 40 have now been created, and then it's time to finish the line and return to Elielin Aukio. And we won't stop there, but we'll stop there and we'll stop there. And that's it. We've reached the end, and now let's go back home. And another trunk line obviously should be ready pretty soon. And this one was by far the simplest of all the trunk lines so far. You really mean it doesn't stop at Opera? This one is something I will have to check, because, well, it doesn't. Okay, I accept this. Because Opera is a major stop. It's really a major stop. So there. The line is ready. And the line will run every, let me have a look here, I should guess 50 minutes. Well, actually every 10 minutes. So, let's do this. We'll need 7 buses for this. That's pretty much. Who cares? And one more. And bingo. Line created, line built, buses bought, everything ready. Time to say bye.